Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the ANR function of Hikvision NVR video recorders. Have you ever made a situation like this? In a network CCTV system, we usually use the IP camera for image collection and NVR for video footage storage. Once the connection between IP camera and NVR breaks down for a while, we will lose the recording in that period. In addition, there's no way to find the recording in that period anymore. However, if we enable the ANR function in a situation like this, the problem can be solved. So what does ANR function means? Automatic network replenishment. With an SD card installed and set of recording schedule in the camera, when the NVR in the system is disconnected because of an occasional network issue or device power down, the camera can start recording video on the SD card. After NVR recovering, and the recorded video footage will retransfer from the SD card back into the NVR, so that we can protect the data even when the recorder breaks down. To enable the ANR successfully, we need to confirm that we have inserted an SD card into the camera. Besides that, we need to enable the recording schedule in the camera to ensure that it can record videos normally without even an NVR. Now let us take a small test and check how does ANR work. First step is to check the SD card status in the camera and make sure that the recording schedule in the camera is enabled. Then I enable the ANR function on the NVR. Next, I will disconnect the NVR for several minutes and then restart it. In the playback, we can find that the NVR was broken down from 1534 to 1541. But there's video footage shown in the timeline for this time period, which is marked as a green color. Which means this footage is retransferred from the SD card in the camera back to the NVR. And that's how ANR works for the full security data protection when the recorder is broken down.